you'd never feel like stressed out after eating food, because like Indian food is so spice heavy. Italian food as compared to that is less spice heavy, but it is also good on the toes. It's not like it is completely bland like the Northern European food.
Argument is about food. Americans to कहते हैं Italian food is world's best. You know, because America के लिए after Canada and Mexico the most visited country is Italy. So can you tell, is for Indians आपको taste अच्छा लगता है कि pasta pasta अच्छा लगता है? You love it?
Yeah, I love it. I love it because I used to like have a pasta, but it was made by my Indian friend. He worked in a restaurant, so he knows how to make a good Italian pasta. And I have been to Italian pizzerias, pasta locations. Compared to Indian, the heavy food, this one is good. You like how much ever you eat, you feel low, completely low. And here the taste, according to
Completely low?
like low calories.
Low calories. Oh, low calories. Oh.
So you can have an entire slice of pizza for yourself. It's like completely low calorie deficient.
Amazing.
Italian food is like healthy food, so whenever I'm planning to be on a healthy diet, I always choose Italian food. I eat from the canteen and it's super healthy. Like you'd never feel like stressed out after eating food, because like Indian food is so spice heavy. Italian food as compared to that is less spice heavy, but it is also good on the toes. It's not like it is completely bland like the Northern European food. It is good on the tongue, but again it is also super healthy. So one of the major reasons I like Italian food.
Yeah, मतलब I don't eat like beef sausage. Germany में हर जगह beef sausage. I was like very bored. But here like you have vegetarian options. At least you can ask them remove meat from pasta. They will be okay. Right?
Yeah, no, it's like, do you have pasta like Parmigiano and you have pomodoro and
Yeah, so there is a lot of cheese actually.
Yeah, exactly.
So you can have cheese, and the difference between cheese here and cheese in India is like the cheese here is really good. Like the taste of it is completely different. Indian cheese is like factory made. It's not like the one you get here. That's it.
All of these are true, but my view is polar opposite to what these guys said.
आपको Indian food ना मेरी तरह ना Indian food.
I'll tell you very honestly. Okay, the thing is, the pasta, the pizza, they are good. Okay, for a meal or 2 meals or something like that. But I cannot survive without having that spices, that tinginess, that that flavors. For me, biryani.
Same.
Tandoori masala, paneer tikka, all of these are like, I have been so used to it that if I don't have it like in, let's say, 2 or 3 days, I will be craving for it, even if I have like, white pasta. So all of these are fancy, and these are like, pizza, and trust me, sometimes I even feel that, Domino's pizza is better than...
मेरे साथ भी हो. For example, I agree as well. Like,
See, I'll be very honest.
I agree.
To the people who say, okay, the pizza over here is the best, the blah, 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 they are going by the, by the norms that has been dictated to them that these are the best thing, okay? But trust me, if you are honest with yourself, answer this question to yourself. Do you get satisfied after eating that pizza, or do you prefer eating more,
masala?
Yeah, exactly.
So
being an Indian, this is what it is.
Same. Fresh pizza, one time I loved it too. But like I ate a pizza after 2 hours at the fridge. It tastes worse than some like Domino's pizza. Like because it's like so soggy. Like अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ fresh pizza आप खा सकते हो, fresh food खा सकते हो, क्योंकि इनका food बहुत ही fresh होता है. इनमें preservatives नहीं होते. तो 1-2 घंटे बाद खत्म है इनका.
Yeah, actually.
Right? Agree, right?
Yeah, Italy has the tradition of
Now you're speaking the truth.
like the thing is that when America went first food, Italy had a tradition. They began a new tradition called as slow cooking, slow eating. Okay, so that's why they prefer slow cooking and like the fresh food, the fast food. That's
Amazing. So